If you've been struggling with hair that's thinning, slow to grow, or prematurely turning gray, today's video is exactly what you need. We're diving into one of nature's most powerful but underrated solutions for hair care: papaya leaf. Not the fruits, the leaf. Okay, it might not look like much, but this green jagged aged leaf holds powerful benefits that can transform your hair. And yes, researchers have backed this up too. Stay tuned because I'm going to break it all down for you. What it does, why it works, and how to use it right away. Okay, so let's start by answering the big question: why papaya leaf? What makes it special for hair growth? um Papaya leaf is with nutrients, enzymes, and plant compounds that your scalp and hair follicles absolutely love. It contains papain, alkaloids, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, antioxidants, and so forth. Okay, so now alkaloid and flavonoids, these are plant compounds that help stimulate the hair follicles and improve blood flow to the scalp. Vitamin A supports sebum production and moisturize your scalp. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, which helps strengthen hair strands. Vitamin E nourishes the scalp and promotes hair growth. So now to the antioxidant, which help fight off free radical damage that cause hair loss and graying. So papain is a natural enzyme that helps cleanse dead skin and products build up on scalp. In fact, studies have shown that papaya leaf extract supports hair regrowth and melanin production, making it effective for both hair growth and natural hair darkening. So here are some of the proven benefits of papaya leaf for hair growth. We say it stimulates hair follicles. Papaya leaf improves blood circulation to the scalp. This helps wake up dormant hair follicles and stimulates new hair growth. It strengthens the hair roots by reducing breakage and hair fall. Also, it cleanses the scalp because of the presence of papain enzymes, which acts like a natural exfoliant. It breaks down dead skin cells, products residue, and oil build up. Remember that our shea butter oil build up. So if you are using any cream that is thick, that leaves a build up on your scalp, this papain enzymes is a go-to for breaking down and reducing buildup that often clog hair follicles. So we said it also reduces dandruff and itching. Because of the antifungal and antibacterial properties, it helps eliminate dandruff and keep the scalp balanced. So we said earlier it prevents thinning. Of course, papaya leaves prevent hair thinning by improving follicles health and nutrients absorbed at the roots. So the benefits for hair darkening, papaya hair darkening. Okay, I don't know why I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so we said because of the melanin production, which supports hair darkening. The melanin is a pigment responsible for the natural color of your hair. Papaya leaf contains phytochemicals that can stimulate melanin production, which slows or reverses premature graying. It also deepens natural hair color. Regular application enhance natural shade, whether it's black, brown, and dark auburn, making your hair look richer and shiner. We also said anti-aging effects on hair. Free radicals and stress can affect hair color and texture. So the antioxidants in papaya leaf can help neutralize this damage and keep your hair youthful. It balances scalp health by the scalp environment supports healthy pigment cells, which can delay or reduce the appearance of gray strands. So papaya leaf is great for anyone dealing with excessive shading or hair loss, stalled hair, premature graying, dandruff and itching, weak brittle strands. It is especially ideal for natural hair, transitioning hair, and even chemical treated hair because it helps restore balance and build up resilience. So we've said enough we've actually talked about chemicals for hair, which is very very bad for your hair. So please, chemicals, use of chemicals products are not advisable on this channel, but instead we use, or we encourage use of products, natural hair products. So this is how you can prepare your papaya leaf treatment. Get 5 to 10 papaya leaves, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Wash the papaya leaves thoroughly and remove dust and residue. Boil them in boil 1 cup of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the mixture to cook completely. Blend and boil leaves with a bit of boiled water into a thick paste. Strain the mixture through a sieve or cheesecloth to remove the particles. I mean, you don't want the residue to reside on your hair after the whole process. So you can now add oil and aloe vera gel if desired and stir until smooth. You can now have a nutrient rich treatment ready to apply. So how to apply this papaya leaf on your hair? We start with clean and damp hair. You section your hair and apply the mixture directly on your scalp using your fingertips or a cotton ball to massage it gently to stimulate the follicles. After this, you cover it with a plastic cap, bonnet, shower cap, even leather. If you can lay your hands on leather, you can cover it with it. You cover it with it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then you rinse it out thoroughly with lukewarm water. Follow up with a mild conditioner if you desire to. Absolutely, if you don't desire to use conditioner, you can actually leave that like that. So for frequency, at least 4 to 6 times to start seeing results. It will take 4 to 6 weeks before you start seeing results. For best result, always use fresh leaves for maximum potency. Be consistent, drink enough water, and eat nutrient rich food to support hair health from within. If you're using heat or chemical treatment, balance it with one more deep conditioning. Take before and after picture take before and after picture to track progress. So now papaya leaf is not just garden waste. It's one of the most powerful, affordable, and natural treatment for hair growth. Trust me, most of these hair products you buy, papaya leaves are actually contained in there, but just that they will not tell you that, oh, we have papaya leaves inside this hair cream. So it works. It's backed by research, and most importantly, it's available to almost everyone. If you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, give nature a chance. Papaya leaf could be the breakthrough your hair has been waiting for. So let me know in the comment section if you actually tried papaya leaf, or if you would be trying papaya leaf. Trust me, let's bombard our hair with natural treatment other than all these chemicals hair cream treatment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.